Okay, after learning all this, we have to come to a place where we need to describe. Now we are going to describe a neighborhood. That's why we say décrire. Décrire means to describe. I'm going to read this and I'm going to translate it in English. Le quartier s'appelle le Paradis Indien. C'est un beau quartier derrière la montagne. Il y a un marché, un grand parc et beaucoup d'espace. Il n'y a pas de métro, de cinéma et de musée. Once more, le quartier s'appelle le Paradis Indien. C'est un beau quartier derrière la montagne. Il y a un marché, un parc et beaucoup d'espace. Il n'y a pas de métro, de cinéma et de musée. Now I think you have an idea what I'm talking about. The neighborhood is called the Indian Paradise. It's a beautiful neighborhood behind the mountain. There is a market, a park, and a lot of space. There is no metro, cinema, and museum. So you will see I respected each and everything. When I'm using il y a, I use un because it's an indefinite article. But when I'm using il n'y a pas, I'm using des because the formula is supposed to be like that. So you can try to describe a place according to you using a dictionary.